Hey guys, my name is Haley. This is my 4th year teaching. I'm a middle school teacher. This year I'm teaching reading and writing at Highlands International School in La Paz, Bolivia. Here's my introduction overview. For my creativity insight, I found this quote that I really love. It says, "To live a creative life, we must lose our fear of being wrong." I think in general, as students, maybe even as humans, we are afraid of being wrong. I know for me as a student, I'm afraid of giving the teacher something that's wrong. I don't want my teacher to think that I'm dumb or that I don't know what I'm doing. And our fear of not producing what the teacher wants leads us to stay inside the box. If I feel this way, I know my students feel this way as well. A memorable creativity issue that I had in the classroom was not actually a positive one. My first year teaching, I was teaching 8th grade Spanish in Cherokee County, and at the beginning of the year, we did an assignment on the 21 Spanish-speaking countries. I showed the class some examples of projects and told them they had free reign to create a project about those Spanish-speaking countries, including facts and interesting things about the country that we have just learned about. The only stipulation was they could not replicate any of the projects that I had just shown them. Well, I had one girl in her group who pretty much did an exact replication of a project that I had shown them. They didn't come up with anything new. Their creativity was pretty much just copied from a project I had shown in class. Anyways, this student's dad came to the school and chewed me out for days on end about how my rubric was incorrect and how creativity is subjective and how dare I say his daughter's project wasn't creative and different than the rest of the class. So pretty much since my first year teaching, I've been scarred to attempt to bring creativity into the classroom due to those intense conversations from that student's parent. My favorite thing about engaging diversity and equity issues is the different opinions and backgrounds and perspectives and talents that diversity brings to the classroom. I've taught in school settings where most of the class is the same race, the same population, from the same background, and while those classes are normally easygoing and there's less behavioral issues, the discussions are not as rich, and the classroom environment is not as vibrant as opposed to the classes that I've taught in other schools where there's much variety and diversity in the classroom, where learning is more we learn from each other, and different backgrounds and opinions get a chance to speak up and share in the classroom. My least favorite thing about diversity and equity issues is the disparity between white gifted students and minority students represented in gifted programs nationwide. I think that our gifted programs do a really poor job of allowing minority groups to have representation in our gifted programs, as we've seen throughout our courses so far. And I would like to be an advocate to change that in the future. So I'm really looking forward to learning with you guys this semester. Thanks.